Ang problem natin ngayon ay y sin x minus xy squared is equal to c. Isa na naman lang ang arbitrary constant. Kaya, isang beses lang natin siya i-differentiate. So, first term, ang gawin tayo dyan ay product rule. So, dito tayo sa gilid. Y sin x, i-differentiate natin siya. So, u is equal to y, b is equal to sin x, du is equal to y prime, dv is equal to cosine x. Multiply natin ganito. U dv is equal to y cosine x. V du is plus y prime sin x. Tapin natin dito, magiging y cosine x plus y prime sin x. Next is negative x squared y. Ay, negative xy squared. So, negative, solve natin ang xy squared. U is equal to x, v is equal to y squared. du is equal to 1, dv is equal to 2y, y prime. Multiply, u dv, magiging 2xy, y prime, plus y squared. Tapin natin dito, 2x y prime plus y squared. Check natin kung tama. Differentiate the constant, magiging 0. So, yan na yung sagot natin. Pero need siya ng i-simplify kahit na na-eliminate na yung constant. So, i-distribute natin tong negative sign dito at dito. Y cosine x plus y prime sin x minus 2xy y prime minus y squared is equal to 0. Alam natin na ang y prime is equal to dy over dx. Kaya papalitan natin lahat ng y prime na makita natin ng dy over dx. Erase natin. dy over dx. Erase natin. dy over dx. So, nasa denominator yung dx, kaya multiply natin both sides by dx. So, y cosine x dx plus sin x dy minus 2xy dy minus y squared is equal to 0. Y squared dx is equal to 0. Yung group natin yung magkakaparehas. Y cosine x dx, same siya sa common sila ng dx. So, group natin, magiging y cosine x minus y squared. Sa labas ang dx kasi common. Next, ito namang sin x dy saka negative 2xy dy, common din. Kaya i-group natin sila. Minus sin x minus 2y, ay plus pala ito. Sin x minus 2y dy equal to 0. So, check natin kung tama. Y cosine x minus y squared dx plus sin x minus 2xy, nakalimutan natin, 2xy dy. So, yan yung final answer.